how to buy community coin token. So this token came under the symbol of community. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token as usual, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 9 hours ago and increased, as you can see, by 22,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. This token also trending number 4 on the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your Biscuit wallet. Now log into your wallet, as you can see. After that, select the base as a network, as you can see from here. And after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called community. So after you find it, click on it. As you can see, they said that it's not listed yet. This token it's not yet listed and may carry financial risk. Consider using contract or detection to validate this security. So if you are ready to go, just click on OK, as you can see here. Now click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see here how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now here, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy community token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.